Hello, welcome to Crypto News. Today, 4th to May of 2026, and the top crypto news is as follows. Good week to all of you. And we'll go directly to Japan, which appears to be making moves with the Canton Network. Specifically, the Japan Securities Clearing Corporation will start the so-called proof of concept in collaboration with other companies to test the use of Japanese government bonds as digital collateral on the Canton Network. The project will examine whether Japanese government bonds can be transferred and managed through on-chain internet processes while maintaining their legal status of bonds under their legislation. The test will also check whether integration of existing systems with Canton's blockchain infrastructure can support more advanced collateral transactions in real-time 24/7, including cross-border use cases. So once again, what institutions want is for money to be able to move 24/7. And only blockchain can do this. And this is a very good move for Canton, which is a very new currency. Due to these factors, it has achieved some major partnerships as an institutional currency, let's say, continuing with the money that has entered our market. Let me tell you that spot Bitcoin ETFs have had inflows of $2 billion in April, marking the highest monthly inflows for this year. So some continue to buy Bitcoin, as you can see, and while some are putting money into Bitcoin, others are taking money out of various crypto in the crypto market. Specifically, funding for various projects in the crypto market from VCs has decreased to $659 million in 63 funding rounds in April. This is down 74% from the $2.6 billion that went into 84 rounds in March. So investments in crypto are decreasing, as you understand. For our last company for today, we'll go to Tether, which told us it made $1.04 million in the first quarter of 2026. And from our companies, we'll also go to Solana, and specifically to the founder of Solana, who warns about AI. Specifically, Solana founder Anatoly Yakovenko characterized artificial intelligence as the biggest short-term threat to cryptography, and he said that artificial intelligence could break post-quantum cryptography PQC signature systems before the industry manages to make them better, essentially. And if I've understood correctly, he's referring to Falcon signatures that they want to implement on Solana to make it quantum resistant. And what this person has said is what I told you about 3 weeks ago, that for now, the biggest threat facing our market is not quantum computers, but AI technology. So we need to equip ourselves appropriately. And now let's go to our beloved crypto market. Bitcoin stands at $80,000, a number we'll see for a very long time. And while all this is happening, we'll go to oil, which reached $110. And according to this article here, the price went up as China blocks American sanctions. And it has essentially told its refineries to buy oil regardless of America's sanctions. Despite all this, the oil price fell sharply to $99 as we learned. Trump announced Project Freedom, an American operation to escort ships outside the Strait of Hormuz. This operation starts today, and of course these ships are mainly ships carrying oil. And regarding the confrontation of these two powers, let me tell you that Trump rejects Iran's new proposal, which is a 14-point proposal to stop this confrontation. From what we learn, nuclear talks were not found within these 14 points, and that's why Trump rejected it. And the latest we learn is that Iran agreed to put its nuclear program on the table for talks with America. So perhaps they'll manage to find common ground. Despite all this, Israeli Channel 14 says that senior Israeli officials said that returning to confrontations with Iran is imposed by reality, characteristically saying it's not a matter of if but when. So these are the latest for our geopolitical matters. You can find more things on Crypto News on X. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, 4th to May of 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.